Okay. I just pulled in. Well, hi guys, how you doing? I just pulled into a spot, and I'll show you what it is in a second. But I saw these sculptures, and I thought, oh, that's cool. I think that one's doing a, what is that, a yoga pose. Okay, just a second, you'll see where we are on Route 66. We are at Giganticus Headicus. Crazy stuff here. This thing is 14 feet high. They've got this old car out there in front. I don't think it's open. I'm supposed to get one of my stamps in the... Oh, damn it. I'm supposed to get my passport stamped. Oh, well. Too bad, so sad. Oh, those are cute little motel rooms. Huh. That was cute. Well, I don't know what to do about my stamp in my passport. Let's see, it's 10 o'clock here. I wonder if I should turn around. I don't know. I'll be back. So, hey guys, guess what I found while I was here? You'll never guess. You'll never guess. Ta-da! A phone booth. Oh my God. I wonder if it works. Should we go see if it works? I think we should. I got a bunch of change in here. I'll be right back, Sammy. Okay. Well, there's nothing in there. Let's put a couple coins in, see if it works. Nope, still doesn't work. Wonder how much money they make off of this thing. Coin release. Coin release. That was fun anyway. Okay. I'm going to hang around here for a couple more minutes because it's almost 10 o'clock their time. So, and hang around. And if not, I'll just have to go to the next spot. There's lights on. There's a neat sign. Oh, and there's a real phone booth. Huh, I missed that the first time. Old gas pumps. Okay, we'll be back. It's a cute little place. Let's see, is this on my list? Oh, yes it is. It's on my list to get stamped. Woohoo! I am defined. Yay, it's open. Yay. Wow, look at all this stuff. Look at that big tree log there. There's just all kind of stuff here. Stickers all over the place. The license plates on top. Okay, I'll be back. Back on the road again. Well, it's different. I am on Route 66, the original. And this is what the scenery is looking like right now. I've got about 120 miles to go before I get to Flagstaff. That's just a couple hours driving, and I'm done for the day. So anyway, I thought I'd share a little bit of the scenery with you. Later. Okay, we are entering Peach Springs. That's the, I hope I got it close to right, Hualapai Indian Reservation. It's the capital. I thought that was kind of interesting. This is it. They got elementary school here. Diamond Creek Restaurant. But I don't want to leave Sammy in the car. Okay, that was it. I'm not going to the Grand Canyon. So the next spot we are going to is Central Section. Selectman. Okay, see back. I think these are wild hogs here. Oh, yeah. This is the first time I've ever seen them out in the wild. They're good eating. I know that. Sorry. Sorry, all you vegans out there. Out in the middle of the daytime. I wish this one would get over with his group because he's going to get lost. I'm just going to sit here and maybe he'll... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Go, 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 go! Hurry, 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 hurry. Okay. He's safe, guys. He's safe. Run, run. Good. Well, that was interesting.